What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress team, and I would like you to imagine the following scenario. You are a nutritionist and would like to create your first WordPress website, website based on WordPress, but you have no coding experience, you have no money to invest, okay? You just have a domain and a dream. Into this video, we're gonna learn how to create a fully customizable nutritionist or nutrition WordPress website for free into a simple, fast and effective method, and this website can be fully customized. You can change the logo type, the texts, the image into a very intuitive way, okay? So keep this posted, like this video, share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, okay? This is how WordPress looks like on 2024 when you start on WordPress. It comes with a default theme that it's not very friendly to customize, okay? So let's make this simpler. First thing, hover a mouse over your site title. You're gonna be able to see a button called dashboard, okay? We're gonna need you to click on it, or go to your domain.com plus WP admin, just like this, okay? Onto your browser window. Now hover a mouse over appearance and click on theme submenu, okay? From here, you're going to be able to see a list of your themes. Normally, you have the 2024 theme installed, or 2025, 2026, okay? Into the search installed themes, we're going to click on add new themes button, okay? Now, into the upper right corner of our screen, into search themes, we're going to type Enzo, okay? Click on install now. Click into the activate button. As you can see, it's all absolutely free. This is gonna redirect you to the welcome page of the Enzo WordPress theme, okay? Here, you're gonna be able to see a tutorial, things to explain how to use, blog tutorials, and other options. But let's start with the one step, essential plugins. What is this? Click on install essential plugins. You're gonna be able to see two plugins, Borderless and Elementor. Click on install. Return to the option, click on activate. Now for Elementor, repeats the process. Click on install, return, click on activate. Elementor gonna redirect you to the page. They want you to create an account or their website. You have no needs for it, okay? Just jump this step by looking at the upper right corner of our screen into the X button right here, okay? All done. Now, all you have to do is hover a mouse over this new left sidebar menu called Borderless, okay? And right here, there is a submenu called Library. Even into the free version, you have a couple of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. And the nutritionist is this one right here. We can preview the site. This is the pre-built website that you're gonna be making your site looks like, okay, with all of those pages right here and all of those images, contents, icons, okay? And now we're gonna click on import, okay? We have the two required plugins. Click on install. We are building your website, installing. I will not cut the video so you can see the process and how longer does it takes, okay? As you can see, it's really fast, it's almost a minute, and now we can customize or visit the site. Let's visit the site. So here is our website looking like a nutritionist website with zero work. What we can do now, imagine that you would like to change, for example, this doctor photo for your photo. Click on edit with Elementor. You need to open the page, okay? So I'm on home page, so I'm gonna click on edit with Elementor, and this gonna moves me to the home page editor, okay? If you go to the guides page and click on edit with Elementor, you're gonna edit the guides page. Simple, right? Elementor gonna loads up the front end editor, the editor that you can make the change and see the result immediately. Let's continue. Now let's just scroll down. Here is the doctor photo. How can I customize this? How can I edit this photo? I'm gonna click into this button. This is a column photo. Here is the image. I can upload a new image by selecting file from my computer, or go to the media library and select another photo. Simple, right? What else you can do? I can change this title. Here is how easy it is. I can apply some link, I can change the size of the title, I can change the HTML tag for H2, H1, I can change the alignment of the title in the case that you need. It's up to you. If I move to the Style tab from the left sidebar menus, I'm gonna be able to change the title color, the typography, like font size, font family, line height, stroke, shadow, and the model. And we have even the advanced option where we can move for paddings and margin to apply spacing around this text. Imagine that this continue reading, okay? You would like to change the link. Click on it, and here is the link. All you have to do is change for the link that you want. Imagine that I would like to make it link to our Borderless page. Copy, place right here, and we're good to go. All I have to do is update the page. Simple, easy, and truly effective. Same happens for any image onto the page. But how does it gonna looks like on mobile? Review the bottom left corner of my screen. That is responsive mode. Click on it, and right here into the upper area of my screen, I have three options: the tablet and the mobile. And here is how our website looks like on mobile. We can even customize this in the case that we want, okay? We can change how elements gonna looks like, how we're gonna close for the mobile version. We have a lot of options, and this is very intuitive. All you have to do is have some calm and start reading a little bit of the content, okay? After doing all your changes, remember to click into the update button, okay? And now imagine that, for example, we would like to change this nutritionist logotype. Move back to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover your mouse over appearance and click on customize it. This is gonna load you another editor now from your theme. And here is a couple of options to play with. We're gonna move to the header one, okay? Because the logotype is on our header. After this, we have the logo option. Click on it, and here is the options we have. We have Retina logo, logo type. We can apply a different logo for a stick header, different logo for transparent header. We can customize it in the way that we want. Click on the logo type. You can click on select image or remove. If you click on select image, you're gonna loads up your media library. You can click on upload files. Select file, select your logo type from your computer and place it right here. After doing your changes, remember to click into the update or publish button, okay? Into the top of this left sidebar. Then all you have to do is close and enjoy your site. Do some posts, create some contents, optimize your page. There is a couple of video tutorials on our YouTube channel where I explain how to do this, okay? But feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. It's free. Or Enzo, free WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where we can submit your site for promoting it, okay? You can submit your blog, your landing page, your app design, your game, your mobile design, anything that you want, you can promote it right here. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built type sites that you can import with a single click, just like the Nutritionist one, and many more features, including all our themes, plugins, templates, tools, icons, support, images, and many more features that you need to create the site that you dream. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!